Guys, welcome back to Java interview prep coding practice, and this is video number 2. In this video I would like you to demonstrate if a string is a palindrome. Okay, I hope you know what palindrome is. So if you reverse a particular word, it should spell the same. For example, dad or madam. So if you reverse, it will be the same. So go ahead, pause this video and give it a try. So solution for checking if a string is a palindrome is this. So here I have declared a static function which returns a boolean value, and I am giving the input. So I'm checking this particular string whether it is a palindrome or not. So I'm using a string builder here. So input, I'm converting the input to a lowercase. Okay, so assuming that sometimes there could be mixed cases or there could be some sort of case sensitivity, so I'm converting into a lowercase, reversing it, and then converting it to a string and assigning to a variable which is reverse. Now I'm just checking if the input equals ignore case. So we should have done it at one particular area, but I'm ignoring here as well, and then trying to check the reverse is equal to input. Okay, so in the main, what I'm doing is I'm taking a string madam, okay, and then I'm passing it to the function is palindrome. Okay, so because this is a static function, class name dot function name and pass the value of the argument. Okay, and similarly I'm also using a non-palindrome which is Java and checking it. So we'll get the output for both of the strings here. So the given string is a palindrome, madam is a palindrome, that is why it has written true, but Java is not a palindrome, so it returned false.